Are you ready to add some extra cash to your wallet? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money online as a beginner with $0 and a phone. So whether you're a student, a busy bee, or a stay-at-home hero, guess what? There are plenty of ways to earn money on the side without sacrificing your current commitments. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online as a beginner with $0 and a phone. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Now, one of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online as a teenager without a job is through the use of online earning websites. Now, these platforms will offer simple tasks that can be completed without any specialized skills. So some of these websites may have high competition. There are also lesser known platforms that offer hidden opportunities to earn money. When you explore these secret websites I'm going to be sharing with you to make money, you can discover potential income streams that are often overlooked by others. You know, on this channel, I always say this: money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And just so you know, these online earning platforms provide a variety of tasks to choose from, such as taking surveys, critiquing videos, testing websites, and so much more. For you to maximize your earnings, it is important to choose the platforms that align with your interests and financial needs. Now, do you know that you can earn money with mobile apps? I know you're probably addicted to your phone like so many teenagers. Guess what? Making money with it is a brilliant idea. The use of mobile apps is one of the best ways to do this. Legitimate mobile apps that offer online earning opportunities provide teenagers without a job with a free and efficient way to make money, to make quick money. So whether you're 13 years old, 14, 15, or even 17 years old, you can earn by using these apps. Now, these apps offer cash rewards for completing simple and enjoyable tasks like listening to music, watching videos, and shopping online. What is even more remarkable is that some of these apps will pay you for sharing your unused data. I am telling you, it's as simple as installing these apps on your phone and letting them run in the background while you go about your daily activities. Yes, for you to get started, check out some of the best apps to make money, to make some extra income. I'm going to put them in my description. Now, do you know you can become a freelancer? Yes, you can make money as a freelancer. Freelancing offers you a career path that grants you the freedom to choose your clients. You can set your own working hours and determine your rates for the services that you provide. It's actually a lucrative opportunity for young adults with a specific skill set to earn money without a traditional job. Now, the beauty of freelancing is that even if you lack specific skills or experience, there are still plenty of easy services that you can offer to make money online as a teenager. There are platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com. They have gained popularity and because they provide a wide array of opportunities for freelancers to connect with both local and international clients and businesses. Now, do you know you can make money answering questions online? As a teenager, there are chances that you possess valuable knowledge in this particular subject matter that can be monetized by answering questions online. And there are numerous websites and apps that connect users with experts in academic fields. They offer payments for each question that you answer. Even if you don't consider yourself as an expert in any specific area, you can still make money by selling your previously answered questions. Yes, your assignments and class notes on various platforms. These platforms provide an opportunity for you to leverage your existing work and earn an income from it. There are several highly reputable platforms available to pay you to answer questions or even sell your previous school materials. These platforms can be a great starting point for teenagers looking to earn money while sharing their expertise. When you utilize your knowledge by providing valuable assistance, guess what? You not only earn money, but you also help other teenagers seeking answers in different subjects. Another way to make money is by selling photos. Yes, so you don't need to own an expensive camera or gadget to sell your photos. Selling photos can be a great way for teenagers with a passion for photography to make money without a job. With the increasing demand for high quality stock images, you can capitalize on this strategy to make a lot of money by selling photos on reputable apps and websites. For you to thrive in this venture, it is important for you to have a camera, but if you don't have, you can start with your phone. And you must have a keen eye for capturing unique and captivating images that actually stand out from the competition. You also need to have the skills to pay attention to detail and mastering composition that will help you create photos that resonate with potential buyers. You also need to stay updated with current market trends, and understanding what types of images are in high demand is very crucial. When you align your photography with popular themes and subjects, then you can increase your chances of selling your work and generating income. Another way to make money is through reselling. Yes, reselling services. You can engage in online service reselling. It's an exceptional way to actually generate income without the need for traditional employment. Now, this business model is also known as service flipping. It involves purchasing services at a lower cost and reselling them at a higher price. It allows you to profit from the difference. One of the most enticing aspects of this business is that it requires no upfront capital. So unlike traditional businesses, you receive payments from your clients before procuring the service from a service provider. Now, service flipping is particularly well suited for young adults that are seeking to earn money from freelancing without performing the actual work by themselves. And let me also share with you, if you have an Instagram account or you have a social media account, there is a platform where you can actually monetize your skill. So you can become a UGC creator. UGC stands for user generated content. It's a process whereby companies or brands send you free products and you create a video out of it. Yes, you create an eye-catching video. It might be how to use, how to video, or how the products, serve. It's like a product review coming from you as an influencer, and you also get paid. You get free products and you also get paid. There is a website I'm going to also introduce you guys to, where you can go ahead and register as a content creator, register on the website as a content creator, and start to make money from today. The name of the website is findyourinfluence.com. Findyourinfluence.com is a website that pays you. Yes, it matches you with different brands, so you get to choose who you want to work with. There are so many campaigns on the website, so you can go on there, browse through the campaigns that are available on the website, and start to pick and choose which one resonates with you. If you're a fashion lover, you can get lots of clothing. If you're a pet, if you have pets and you love to, showcase your pets. And by the way, if you have a pet, you can also become a UGC creator for pets. Yes, you can become an influencer. Your pet can become an influencer and make money. Yes, so you're welcome. So go back to this website and list your, and also tell them your preference. If you're a fitness person, they send you a lot of fitness, they send you a lot of clothes, they send you trainers, they send you tracksuits, they send you, and you pick and choose whatever you like. You choose the color, choose anything you like. I mean, my innerwear, the pink innerwear I'm wearing was sent to me by a brand. So yes, this is how you also make money. They send you free products and you also get paid while at it. Becoming a UGC creator is so easy. You don't even need any social media following, and you don't even need to post these videos on your social media. All you need to do is receive the products, create this content for these brands, and send the videos to them. And then you get paid and you keep the products to yourself. There are so many ways. Like I always say on this channel, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. And the moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And I hope that with these few points of mine, hold on, have I introduced myself? I'm not sure. Please, if you have not introduced yourself yet, and if you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys, thank you for your incredible and massive love and support. This is a big shout out to you guys. Shout out to all my Patreon members. Thank you. I love you guys. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, we can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. You can book a free one-on-one consultation with me, and you have full and direct access to me. You are welcome. So guys, that takes us to the end of today's video. If no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I am super duper proud of you. All right guys, take care of yourselves and go to exploits, and of course I will see you in my next video. Take care guys. Cheers. Bye for now.